As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Charbroil Classic 2-burner grill and the Napoleon Prestige PRO 665. Big difference in price right off the bat, huh?
Huge. The Charbroil is like $139, and the Napoleon is a whopping $3,499. What are you getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a big factor. The Charbroil has a 280 square inch cooking area, good for a small family. The Napoleon? A massive 1,140 square inches. You could cook for a crowd. And it has 5 main burners compared to Charbroils too.
Yeah, that's a party grill for sure. What about power?
The Charbroil puts out 20,000 BTUs. The Napoleon? 99,000 BTUs. It's going to heat up much faster and probably maintain higher temps. Plus, it has an infrared sizzle zone.
Ooh, fancy. So searing steaks is definitely easier on the Napoleon. What about other features?
The Napoleon's loaded. It's got interior lights, LED control knobs that change color, a rotisserie burner, and even a built-in cooler. The Charbroil is much simpler. It has a side burner and a grease tray. Pretty standard stuff.
Sounds like the Napoleon is trying to be the ultimate outdoor kitchen. But is it worth the price?
Depends on your needs. The Charbroil is great if you just want a basic, reliable grill for occasional use. It's small and easy to store. The Napoleon is for serious grillers, people who entertain a lot and who want all the bells and whistles.
What about build quality? I imagine the Napoleon is more durable?
Definitely. The Napoleon uses a lot of stainless steel, and it's much heavier, like 334 pounds compared to Charbroil's 37.5 pounds. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are okay, but not as long-lasting. Plus, the Napoleon has a lifetime warranty.
Okay, so to recap, Charbroil is budget-friendly and good for small spaces. Napoleon is a high-end, feature-rich grill for serious barbecue enthusiasts.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you're looking for and how much you're willing to spend. Both are propane grills, so that's one thing they share. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.